Welcome back. If you're looking to install a new wood floor in your home, look no further than Easiklip Floors. Here's a no-mess solution to installing floors. No nails, no glue. With us right now we have Harry Chu, General Manager of Easiklip Floors, and Reuben Avery of Easiklip Floors, and they're here to tell us all about the product. Reuben, take it away.
Sure. Well, so Easiklip Floors is a very easy DIY solution, or good for contractors as well. A product that essentially takes all the fuss and mess out of typical flooring installations. So it saves time, first of all. It's a floating solid solution. You're able to install it 2 or 3 times faster than your typical nail and glue down applications. It can go directly over concrete, even in basements. All you need is a moisture barrier and a foam underlay, and you're good to go. Just lay it down flat out, and just little clips underneath that secure the boards together. Those just clip on underneath. It's an aluminum clip with little silicone beads. The expansion gap is automatically set once those clip together. So that solves the problem of expansion and contraction, which natural products like wood floors need to do.
For contractors, time is money. I find that this is a really wonderful product.
Well, I agree with you. Aside from the no mess and no glue aspect, you also save a lot of money on the glue. Yeah.
So, okay, Reuben, you're going to show us how easy this Easiklip floor is to install.
Yeah, for sure. So we're working again with a solid wood plank here. So we've got 5-inch width and 3/4-inch thickness. The boards are all specially milled with a tongue and groove system, and our little clips here just clip onto the edge like that. It can clip onto the groove side. You can also clip it onto the tongue side. So either way it works to install. It's easiest though to go onto the groove side. You lay that down. We just recommend a 15mm expansion gap along the walls. And then all you do is you take your next board, put your clip on there, and it just slides in on a 45-degree angle, clips down. You're good to go. You're set.
And it looks like there'll be no play when you step down. Even having this clip there, you won't feel the floor going down.
That's correct. Yes, it's a very solid, again, 3/4 inch. There's not going to be any sort of springiness to that. Once the boards are in, they do have a tongue and groove on this side as well. So unlike your laminate or some engineered floors, which don't have that, they slide around in the floor. You see people kicking their floors back together all the time. That's not going to happen here. You set it in, you're good to go. Moving along onto your next row, and you can see how quickly that's going to fill up a room. So we do have 4 different styles that we're offering in North America right now. The product has been out in Europe for over 15 years now, in Asia as well. So we are looking at bringing more colors to the market here very soon. We do also have some new finishing facilities we'll be working with shortly that can kind of do any color and match anything. So if you have a DIY project that needs a specific color to match other things going on in your home, all you need to do is send us a sample. We can match that and have it on our flooring just for whatever you need.
You know, contractors look for innovative new products, but they also look to see if you're patented. And that's a big thing for contractors. Once they see a product is patented, they're more apt to look into that product and purchase it. Reuben, a lot of people are environmentally conscious today, more than ever. And I find that this product, we don't use any chemicals whatsoever. Anything. We don't use glue, nails. It is just, you could use your hands to install this product. No cleaning except for dusting the floor after you're done.
That's exactly right. Yeah, one great thing about this is we don't use any volatile organic compounds in the flooring itself, and you also don't have any in the glue that you're putting under the flooring like in a typical engineered installation situation. So you're not waiting for that to dry out. You're not having to clear the home of your family so everybody's protected from all these nasty smells. And of course you can walk on the flooring the same day. You're not having to wait for that to dry out either. So literally just put it down now. Don't have to worry about a thing. You're good to go.
We really, really love this product. And I know that right now we have the attention of all of our millions of viewers out there. How do they get in touch with you at Easiklip?
Yeah, so easiklip.com is our website. You can shop there. You can find lots of information. We've got a great collection of blog posts up there, everything from installing your baseboards to figuring out what kind of molding or how big you need it or how to match the colors in your house. So lots of great resources there. More are always on the way. And of course, you can call us. Our number is 1-855-539-5547. Give us a buzz there too. We're always happy to chat, help your installers out, help you out. Whatever you need, we're here.
So for all of you DIYers and your contractors who are looking to save a lot of time, a lot of money, no mess, no headaches, I think you found what you're looking for in Easiklip Floors. You guys are the greatest. Thank you for being on our show, and we wish you all the luck.
Thank you, Ray.